Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error that your PayPal money is on hold or unavailable. So first of all, you probably want to know, why is my money on hold or unavailable? Now there could be a few reasons and I will go through them. So first of all is you're a new seller with PayPal, and basically it just takes time to build up trust and a positive reputation as a new seller. That's why they might hold your money. Or you haven't sold in a while. So when your selling activity has been dormant for a long time, it will again take time to build up a new positive reputation, a new trust. The same with multiple customers reported problems or requested funds, and this is very important. If this is the case, then it will probably be a bigger problem than just 21 days, but we will come back on that later. So we recommend working with your customers to solve any problems. Or your selling pattern appears to have changed or seems unusual. Unusual selling patterns include an unexpected surge in sales, a change in business type, a change in average selling price, or the type of item being sold. So basically, if you have a lot of orders at once, or you change from business, that can be the reason why your money is on hold. Or, and this one is probably not the best one as well, you're a high risk. You're selling higher risk items. So higher risk items can include event tickets, consumer electronics, travel packages, and gift cards. And again, here's a lot of regulation in this industry, so it can take longer than 21 days even for your money to be on hold. Or you've received a payment for goods and services instead of payment for friends and families. The sender selected for goods and services instead of for friends and family as a payment type. You should get your money 7 days after confirming the order status. So this is basically the easy fix. But now I will show you how you can actually release your payments, because that is very important, of course. So how can I release my payments on hold? So first of all, you need to log into your PayPal account to see if you can release your payments on hold. If you do not see this option, we will hold your payment up to 21 days. So just log into your account and see if you anywhere see the button to get your money, to release your money. And if you do not see this option, they will probably hold your money up to 21 days and there is nothing to fix. You can maybe contact the support and ask why they hold your money, but usually they will hold it for 21 days because that are security regulations and they can't fix it. So still, if there's no button, you might be eligible for earlier release by following one of the below steps. First is ad tracking. Use one of our approved shipping carriers and we will release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. So basically what you need to do is you need to ship something to your house, and you need to confirm that, and they can then approve or release your payment, or update the order status if the held payment or is for a service or intangible item. Example, piano lessons or ebook. We will release the hold 7 days. We will release the hold money 7 days after you confirm the order status is complete, or print shipping labels with us. We will track the item and release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. And in rare cases, and sorry to say PayPal, but this is not really rare. In most of the time, in most of the cases, they will hold up the payment for 21 days. For example, this can happen if we notice unusual change in your selling patterns, and this happens quite a lot with PayPal, that they hold your money and they will probably hold it for 21 days. And sometimes in really, really rare cases, they will hold it longer because they just don't believe your selling patterns. But the things I can recommend is, if that happens, is to contact the PayPal support. But yeah, the thing is with those 21 days, you can contact the PayPal support, but they will probably won't change because this is just a safety security regulations, though, so they probably won't change it. But yeah, I hope this video kind of helps you try this out. And just it's very important to know why your payment might be on hold, and if you're able to fix it, or you just know a reason why your money might be on hold. For example, if you're a new seller or haven't sold in a while, this can be the reason, and they will probably not hold your money for 21 days. If they do, again, yeah, it is what it is. And if they hold it longer than 21 days, I recommend you contacting the PayPal support. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.